All right, everybody, how you doing? Got a really fast video for you here today. Just a quick unboxing video. When I ordered that Ann Stokes collectible. If you want to check out that video, go back and watch it. I also ordered a butane insert. I just wanted to try one out. I see a lot of people are enjoying them and liking them. I probably won't switch, but I thought I'd give it a try and a fair review. I've already owned butane inserts, not Zippo brand, so that's why I wanted to give this one a fair try, because it is Zippo brand. I was using non-Zippo brand inserts, and I was using soft flame. I never actually had a Zippo brand torch. And let's see what we get here. So it says adjustable flame size, fits all regular Zippo lighter cases, refillable with butane fuel. Empty butane lighter insert. That can't be. Oh, would you look at that? They give it to you empty. Huh. Must be a Canadian thing. Okay, manufacturer company, Brantford company. This feels really tough and durable so far. I have to say, the Vector Thunderbird ones was all plastic body, cheap pieces of crap, and I'm going to say that now for anybody who wants to get one. Get a Zippo one over that. Now, the warranty doesn't really cover much. So I guess with that open, that's taking out fluid. So let's take some Zippo fluid. I have bottles and bottles and bottles of this stuff because every time I order something, I get free stuff. All right, so let's hold her on there for 30 seconds. And that's the required time. You want to do it upside down. You don't want to hear anything leaking out. You're just going to go and fill her up. And if you fill her up too much, you'll actually trap air pockets in there too. So you gotta watch how much you actually do it. Gotta be careful. Oh, dang. So that thing's cranked up. I don't think I need it that high, to be honest. I have a Zippo I wanted to put it in though, obviously, right away. I don't know. I feel shameful. You know what though? It opens up just fine. Like the cam's working good. It gives my Zippo a different ping than the regular insert, it sounds like. And what I like is the cam doesn't have to be open for that to work. Like on my other one, that would release the gas. This still works. I really like this. I don't know. I'm liking this. This is growing on me already. I am very enjoying this lighter. This is the etched one I made. It's starting to tarnish now, so all the detail in the chrome is really starting to pop and really show through. Just really like this lighter. Got my logo on and everything like that. I make these if anybody wants one. But anyways, yeah, whew, loving that. I suggest everyone try it. You know, for 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. I suggest everybody try it, really. Like, it's really spitting the fuel, I have to say. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to do a full review on it, and I'm going to see if anything goes wrong with it, have repair videos. I'm always going to be using this for a while to come, because Kim is sending me a War Armor Zippo, and it's really big, thick. It's not a Zippo, sorry, it's a Zorro War Armor, and it's really big, thick lighter, and I'm just going to keep it as a table lighter. It's not something you want to carry around because it's so big and heavy, and I'm going to keep it as a table lighter, and I'm just going to keep it around where I need to use it, and I'm going to keep a Zippo butane insert for it. And I don't know, I'm pretty happy about this. I have to say, it does look nice, it feels nice, it fits good. It's operating perfectly. Like, I can turn down the flame, and I will. I'm not going to do it right now. I don't have my little tiny screwdriver around me. But, yeah, man. I suggest everybody definitely go get a butane insert. For the 20 bucks, it's worth it. I don't know. Like, if you have 20 bucks to spend, I understand if you're somewhere else in the world and you do not have the 20 bucks to spend, it's worth it. And if you don't use a Zippo as much as I do, it's more worth it for you to have the butane insert, because then you're not losing fluid. There's no evaporation, right? That's the nice thing about having the butane insert, is if you don't use a Zippo often, it's probably what you want to go with over a regular insert with fluid, right? It's a no-brainer. So, you know, butane is good and everything like that. And if you don't use your lighter often, this is what it's for. But I prefer using this. This is solely for review purposes, what I'm going to use the butane insert for, and just for video quality purposes and things like that. So everybody take care, check them out. You want one of these Zippos, let me know. And go get yourself a butane insert, man. They work awesome. Please go get one. I swear. I'm already liking this. I'm falling in love with it as I'm using it. Obviously, it's not going to be my everyday carry. I'm going to leave my butane insert at home. But for what I'm going to use it for at home, I'm going to be more than happy to use it for. All right, take care.